Shankwaila Yundong, Chugen Tiao, Sino-Afro. Dajahao, MOSSCKY, Sino-Afro. Today I'm going to be teaching another decomposition of a dance tutorial for you, our beloved fans. So, today we're going to be learning the dances slowly by slowly so that you can follow along. Let's dive into it. Okay, so the first move. You step to the side as you twist your body these ends, like 1, tap, 2, tap. Same thing this side, 1, tap, 2, tap. So from here, you go 1 and 2 and up and down, and 1 and 2 and up and down. You do this while crossing your hands. Again, the second time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and up and down, 1 and 2 and up and down. Okay, so from here you go to 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So from here you go down 1 and 2 and again 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and last time 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and okay, so it's 4 counts. Okay, so from here you're going to pull 1 and 2. Okay, you twist, you wind 1 and 2. So you pull but this side 1 and 2. You wind from this end 1 and 2. You pull this side 1 and 2. You wind from this end 1 and 2. You pull this side last time 1 and 2. You wind from these ends 1 and 2. Okay, so from here the routine goes back from the beginning. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, third time 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excuse me. Okay, so from here, this is the fourth time. So you go 1 and pull, and then you wind and wind. This side 1 and 2, and then you wind and wind. This side 1 and 2, and then you wind and wind. This side 1 and 2, and then you wind and wind. Okay, so from this point the routine goes back. It's like we choreograph 3 moves, then we keep on, you know, shuffling them, we keep on rotating them so that you guys can come along with them like so well. Okay, so from the beginning again, 1 boom, 2 boom, 3 boom, 4 boom, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 boom, 2 boom, 3 boom, 4 boom, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you 1, 2. That is the first time. This side. 1, 2, wind and wind. 1, 2, wind and wind. 1, 2, wind and wind. Okay? All right. So I'm gonna be going to repeat this, these dance moves again for you. Just one more time, adding in a little more speed. But as I'm counting so that you can follow along, and if you have the routine right there by your side, then it will be nice that as you look at the tutorial, you also look at the routine, okay? So you look at the dance tutorial, you also look at the routine, okay? So 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, wind and wind. 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 And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 2 and 2. Okay, so that was the routine for today. You keep following the dances as they, as they come and go, as they repeat themselves from the beginning as you've been seeing it until this last one that we have done. Okay, so don't forget that. Yes, from this one, this is the first. It's only 2 counts. Okay? Again. Boom. Boom. Now we go to this one. It's 4 counts. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we go to this one. It's also 4 counts. Boom, boom, 1 and 2. 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 Okay? So there are literally 3 dances that we did over and over again in the routine for you to pick up. Thank you so much. This is the end of the dance tutorial. I remain yours, MOSSCKY from sinoafro. Don't forget to hit the button and subscribe and follow for more educative, entertaining content. We love you. Peace and love.